Okay, so back guys, this is the third video on our channel, so please like and subscribe on this playlist. So what we are doing, if you are new, we are going through the freecodecamp.org course together as one, because I stuck there a lot of times, like nobody was there to explain things to me. So yes guys, I wanna fill that gap on your side so that you can be able to grasp everything quickly and to be able to continue with everything else. So just subscribe as regularly. I always request subscribes. Everybody likes subscribes. Who doesn't like them? Okay, so let me see. Let's continue where we ended up. Okay, good. I'm small as usual. Okay, so we're gonna submit and go to the next challenge. Okay, things are getting out of our hand right now. I don't know what's going on. Don't worry, I've got you. Okay, so the headline with the H2 element. Okay, so this is an headline. This is a headline. So this is like a heading text. I'm sure they taught you on how to write like topic heads or headline. Over the next few lessons, we'll build an HTML5 cat photo. Okay, so we have that. The H2 element you will be adding in this step will add a level 2 heading to the web page. Okay, this does not make sense to me. I don't know about you. The H2 element you will be adding in this step will add a level 2 heading to the web page. Okay, I've got a clue now. So this element tells the browser about the structure of your website. H1 elements are often used for main headings, while H2 elements are generally used for subheadings. I think that makes sense. There are also H3, H4, H5, H6 elements to indicate different levels of subheading. Yeah, I understand that. Add an H2 tag that says cat photo app to create a second HTML element. So, as you can see on this challenge, you are supposed to create like an HTML element, which is an H2 tag element or tag. So we're supposed to create that. So how the hell are we supposed to create that? Okay, let me answer you. Okay, so you just go below here and just put in your elbow brackets. This is called elbow brackets, and put in the H2. So just a reminder, what is this called? Yes, it is an H2 opening tag. Okay, so we're gonna close that with a backslash. Okay, so as you can see, but nothing is showing on our output tab. So what is really going on is because we don't have the element content or the element text here. So what are we supposed to like write? Okay, so we're supposed to write this. I'll just copy it. Control C if you are on Windows. I don't know the other commands. Sorry about that. Okay, so it's Control C to copy. Just highlight that. On Windows, Control C, and then when you reach when you wanted to paste it, just click on where you want to paste it and say Control V. So yes, on Windows. So as you can see, this is what the challenge wants. Okay, so we're gonna run the test. Wow, we just passed 100% already. Okay, so I told you that I've done this course before, so you will see 100% of it all the time. Maybe on your side it's showing like 5%, 10%. I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, guys, see you on the next side.